Hey there, it's Adrian from Cademy, and today I'd like to give you a quick demo of our latest update, which is the ability to request a custom date on a course or a private group session. So you'll see under the, I'm looking at the course page here on our platform, and under the book button, there's two new options, one to request a date and one to inquire about a private session, a private group session. So using these, whenever you click on either one of those, they work pretty much the same way. The customer will be shown a quick inquiry form, and they'll be able to enter the details of what they're looking after. So maybe they will enter the dates that they prefer, the number of people they need is for, and just the rest of the details for the booking, and maybe they'll say exactly what they're after. And this makes it a lot easier for customers to just get in touch with you. And a lot of times maybe someone will come and be interested in the course that you do, but the date will not fit, or maybe they'll need something bigger for a party or for a corporate event. So this allows them to reach out to you more quickly rather than have to go and find your details through your website or somewhere else to try and ask questions. So once they've submitted an inquiry, what will happen, they'll get an email confirming that the inquiry has been sent. And then you'll get an email, as the educator will get an email with the details of that inquiry, and you'll be able to just respond directly from there. Now, for the courses where you don't want to have the option to, maybe it's not relevant to have the option to request a date or to inquire about group bookings. For those types of courses, you can easily disable these options. So when you set up your course under the advanced settings on the course setup, you can just disable them. And of course, once you do that, and let's refresh, those options will be gone, right? So this is a very simple update, but it allows us to learn from how people inquire and what kind of questions they ask and how they interact with this feature. And if it's popular, we do plan on expanding it further and adding a lot more functionality in this space. So stay tuned. And if you have feedback, please do share. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Take care.